How to draw a lantern. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, thanks for drawing with me today. Today we are going to learn how to draw a lantern, and we will start by drawing the two sides of the glass globe. For this we are going to draw two slightly curved lines that are the same height, just like this. Then we are going to connect these two lines at the top and bottom by drawing a straight line across. Awesome job! Next, we are going to begin drawing the base of our lantern. For this, we will start by drawing an oval shape connecting to the bottom of the shape that we just drew. This is going to be long and skinny. Perfect! Now we are going to draw two small straight lines going downwards from that shape. These are going to be just a little bit inwards from either side of the lantern. Then we are going to connect these two lines at the bottom with a straight line. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our lanterns are looking great so far. Next, we are going to continue drawing the base, and for this we are going to draw a diagonal line going outwards and to the right from the bottom of that small rectangle that we just drew. Then we are going to do the same thing on the left side. Then we are going to connect these two lines by drawing a curved line at the bottom. Then we are going to draw a small straight line going downwards from both sides of that shape. Then we are going to draw a line across the bottom, connecting those two lines together. Awesome job! Now we are going to do the same thing two more times by drawing small straight lines going downwards on either side of the base and then connecting them at the bottom with a straight line. The one that we draw next is going to be a little bit wider than the one that we just drew, and then the one at the bottom is going to be thin, just like the middle one. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We are all done drawing the base of our lantern. Next, we are going to draw the burner, which is going to be inside the shape that we drew at the very beginning. For this, we are going to draw two small straight lines here and here going upwards. Then to connect those two small lines at the top, we are going to draw a curved line. Awesome job! Then in the middle of this shape, we are going to draw a straight horizontal line. Now we are going to draw a flame above the burner. For this, we are going to draw two curved lines that connect to the burner that we just drew that come to a point at the top. Looks great, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to start drawing the ventilation cap at the top of our lantern. For this, we will begin by drawing two straight lines going upwards right here and here. Then we are going to connect these two lines at the top by drawing a straight horizontal line. Next, we are going to draw part of an oval. This is going to connect to the left and right side of the shape that we just drew, and it is going to go right here. Awesome job! Then above this, we are going to draw 2 more straight lines going upwards. Then we are going to connect these at the top with a straight horizontal line. Then in the middle of this line, we are going to draw 2 small straight lines going upwards. Then connecting to the top of those 2 lines, we are going to draw a straight horizontal line that extends outwards on either side. Next, we are going to draw a curved shape above this line. We are going to start at the left side of the line and draw 1 hump going upwards. Then we are going to draw an even bigger hump in the middle, and then a smaller hump on the right connecting to the right side of the line. Awesome job! Now for the final step of the ventilator cap, we are going to draw 2 more lines, one here and here. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are coming along great, and we're almost finished drawing our lanterns. Next, we are going to draw the right side of our lantern, right here. For this, we are going to draw a curved line going outwards to the right from our ventilator cap that then curves downwards, and the line will straighten out, going straight down the right side of our lantern, and then towards the bottom, the line is going to curve inwards, and we will end with a diagonal line going towards the base of our lantern. Now let's draw it together. Great job! Now we are going to draw another line just like this one. It will start a little bit higher on the ventilator cap, and it will end just a little bit more to the right on the base of our lantern. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our drawings are really coming along awesome. Now we are going to draw the left side of our lantern just like we drew the right side. And then to finish drawing the left side of our lantern, we are going to outline the line that we just drew, similar to how we did on the right side. Awesome job! Now the final step will be to draw the handle on the top of our lantern. For this, we are going to first draw a half circle right here, connecting from the left and right side of our lantern. Then finally, we are going to outline this half circle, adding a small hump in the middle at the top of it. This is how to draw a lantern. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and comment down below what you would like us to draw next. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.